Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add phone number on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Support. Select Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap on your account. Select Account Information. Tap on Phone. Now type in your Twitter password to verify yourself. Tap on Next once you are done typing in your password. Now you can go ahead and add a phone number. Once you are done typing in your phone number, tap on Next. Then you can verify your phone number by typing in the code that Twitter sends you on the phone number that you have just added. And that's it. This is how you add a phone number on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.